Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to learn about the CSS border radius. So let's get started. So first in our directory, we need to create our index file. So we'll name it as index.html. And then inside this file we can give it a title of CSS border radius. And down here we'll just say button. And then we can just say click here. Okay, so now we can create our style sheets now. So we'll create a new CSS file and name it as style.css. And then now in this index page we can just include this. So we'll say link href equals to style.css, and then the rel is equal to style sheet. Okay, so now we can just give this a class of maybe button. Okay, so in the style sheet now we can just say dot button. So we'll select that class, and then we'll just give it a border radius of 3 pixels. So a border radius makes the edges more curved in. So when we go to the website, you'll see that right now we can see that it's a little rounded. But if I comment this line out, it will just be regular. A better example might be to make it like 10 pixels, so it will be more, you'll see it better. So this is what it looks like in 10 pixels. But if I give it a value of 0, it will just be like a rectangle. We can also remove the border right here. So we'll just say border is equal to none. So now we won't see a border. And we can maybe change it to 5 pixels. And then when we refresh, we can see that the edges is rounded. But it's not really visible. Maybe I can change it a color of background color, maybe red. I think that will be good. And then you'll see it better now. So that's how to use the CSS border radius property. Please subscribe and like, and if you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.